Are you struggling with unexplained pain, chronic fatigue, digestive issues, or autoimmune conditions? These could be signs of underlying inflammation that's wreaking havoc on your body. The good news is, you don't have to rely on medications or drastic diets to manage it. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, natural drink that has been proven to reduce inflammation, improve your health, and help you feel better in as little as 1 week. So, if you're ready to tackle inflammation the natural way, stay with me until the end, because this drink could change your life. Why inflammation matters. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic health problems. Whether it's causing pain all over your body, disrupting your digestive system, or contributing to more serious conditions, inflammation can hold you back from feeling your best. Most people focus on treating symptoms without addressing the root cause. Chronic inflammation. Once you tackle inflammation directly, you can start to reverse the damage, feel more energized, and see improvements in your overall health. The power of this drink. Now, let's get to the exciting part. This drink contains ingredients that are backed by research, showing they can fight inflammation effectively. I'll walk you through each ingredient so you know exactly how they work to reduce inflammation in your body. Ingredient 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a spice for your coffee or baked goods. It's packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. 2 key ingredients in cinnamon, cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, help neutralize harmful reactive oxygen species in the body, which contribute to inflammation. Cinnamon also helps regulate blood sugar levels, improves circulation, and supports overall wellness. For the most antioxidants, try using Ceylon cinnamon, which has the highest levels. Ingredient 2. Cardamom. Next, we have cardamom, a spice that's often overlooked but has incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, including alpha-topol, D-limonene, and phenol, which help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It also supports gut health, which is crucial since a healthy gut can help manage systemic inflammation. Ingredient 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, specifically curcumin, is one of the most well-known natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies show that curcumin's effects are comparable to those of ibuprofen and other anti-inflammatory medications. By adding turmeric to this drink, you're giving your body a powerful tool to fight inflammation at the source. Ingredient 4. Black pepper. To make sure your body absorbs all the benefits of turmeric, we add black pepper. Research shows that piperine, a compound in black pepper, can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 10 times. This means you get more of turmeric's benefits with just a small amount of pepper. Ingredient 5. Ginger. Ginger is another powerful anti-inflammatory. It contains gingerols and pyridols, compounds that not only reduce inflammation, but also provide antioxidant protection. Ginger has been used for centuries to improve digestion and reduce pain, making it an essential part of this anti-inflammatory drink. Ingredient 6. Lemon or lime. Lemon or lime adds a burst of vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a key role in reducing inflammation. Vitamin C works even better when combined with other antioxidants, which is why we're combining all these ingredients in one drink for maximum effect. Ingredient 7. Green tea. Finally, we use green tea as the base of this drink. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly EGCG, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. You can also use regular tea if you prefer, but loose-leaf tea is ideal because it retains more antioxidants than bagged varieties. Recipe: how to make the drink. Now, let's make this powerful drink. Here's how you do it. 1. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. 2. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of loose green tea or regular tea, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a few black peppercorns, 1 inch of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 3. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes so the ingredients infuse the water. 4. After steeping, strain the drink into a cup. 5. Squeeze in half a lemon or use 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. 6. Optional. If you want to add a bit of sweetness, you can stir in raw honey to taste. Important tip. Sip this drink slowly over 10 to 15 minutes rather than gulping it down to avoid any stomach discomfort. When to drink and how to benefit. The best time to drink this is in the morning or late morning, as your body will be most receptive to these anti-inflammatory compounds. You'll start feeling the benefits in just a few days, and within 1 week, you should notice a significant reduction in inflammation and discomfort. This drink is a simple, natural way to reduce inflammation and improve your health. Remember, consistency is key. Try this drink daily and see how it works for you. What do you think about this video? Has this drink inspired you to try something natural to reduce inflammation? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback keeps me motivated to create more helpful and powerful videos like this one. If you have any health concerns or problems, don't hesitate to drop a comment. I'm here to help and will find a natural solution that doesn't require you to spend money on doctors or medications. You've got everything you need right at home. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to check out my other video on 1 cup to support a healthy liver, which works just as powerfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.